Hey guys, so today we're gonna make the origami Pikachu. It looks so cool. Well, not yet. Then just blow into this back part right there. And you'll have your own little Pikachu. Now let's get started. Now, take this part. Actually, no. Start with the white part. Take this part and put it onto this corner right there. Look like a triangle. Wait. Then just take this top part, then take this corner, put it on there. Make some strong creases. Make sure that they're aligned. You'll see that you can say X or cross. Turn it over. Now, take this part, put it on about here. Turn over real quick. Now, unfold, rotate, do the same exact thing. Now, as you will see, it will want to come like this. Now, do not let that happen. And how we will do that is by popping this corner up. So these things will want to come in. Let them come inside. Two kids coming inside. So you'll have this base, the triangle base. Of course, you can still open it like that. Now, take this part and put it up here. Same thing on the other side. Turn over. Sorry if it starts getting blurry. Now I'll do the same thing on the other side. Turn over. Now you're going to take this part, put it into the middle. Rotate it. Then go like this. Then you're just going to fold it like this to the outside. Turn over. Put this into the middle. Same thing on this side. If it starts just going up too easy, place it harder. Then here, you're gonna fold this here. Right? Same thing on the other side. Now, as you can see, there's a pocket inside. You'll want to put one of your fingers, I use my thumb, inside so now I can open it. Now, take this, just slide it inside. It's harder than it looks, guys. Just try it. See how much you can get. Tell me if it's easy or not for you. If it's easy, then you're talented. Okay, this thing is not working anymore. Here we go. Finally, I did it. Now Now same thing on the other side. Put your finger inside. If it seems like I'm kind of sing-songing, I have no idea why. Oh, come on, just open it. Here we go. Now, I like to do it like this. It seems easier for me. You do it. You can do what's easier for you. All right. There you got it. Now, open up. Put your fingers inside here. Now you will see this hole right here. You want to blow into there. It'll look like this. Now, put everything, since it's the first time, it will probably kind of just be hard. Now you will want a black crayon and a red crayon. Just 2 crayons. Now, it's the black crayon to color in the ears. And on this side, for some reason, this folds out. It's like super fast. Alright. Fold these back to the inside. Flip it over. This is probably the easiest part in the drawing. So you just want to make like a little ball right at the tip of the nose. Then you will just want to kind of make this kind of the mouth. And not just like this. Don't judge me if it's bad. Now, just gonna go with this. And then with here, I kind of make like a circle around here, and then another one inside. Flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. And you don't need this crayon anymore, so it will look like this. Now with the red one, you will want to make it about diagonally. So I would say about here. Alright. Fold these back to the outside. For some reason this keeps on happening. This happens to you, don't worry. It happened to mine too. My first one. It even happened on this side, but it's still awesome. Now just blow in. The drawing might not be good. It's gonna blow in. And yeah, mine is not good. So I wish you luck, guys, and just keep on trying. If you cannot do it on your first try, just keep on trying. See you next time.